Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm from West Palm. What interested me in the dental field, I seen what a positive impact it had on a family member of mine who is also a dental assistant. And I love to help people, and so I just decided this was the field. I heard about Dentrilogy through my niece who also attended Dentrilogy. The program was so convenient for my everyday schedule. I am a mom of two and I work a full-time job. So the days that I got to come were completely convenient for what I have going on. I definitely believe this program showed me the ropes to begin my career in dentistry. They're very hands-on, everything from x-rays to crowns, fillings, you name it, they show you everything. And the teachers are very one-on-one, so you get the whole package. I feel the program has changed me in a positive way. I have more organization and definitely with time management. Before Dentrilogy, I was not well with time, and since coming here, my time management has been so much better. So the advice that I would give someone who's looking to get in dental assisting, for me, it gave me time freedom. Time freedom that I don't have working where I work now, and the time that I'm gonna have to be available for my kids, to have more time to do things I wanna do. It's definitely a career choice that can benefit you in the long run.